LinkedIn caught spying on users' browsers. A new report suggests LinkedIn has been quietly scanning users' browsers in the background, checking installed extensions and collecting device data while pages load. Findings from Fairlinked, confirmed by Bleeping Computer, show LinkedIn loads a JavaScript script that checks for Chrome extensions by probing known IDs and gathers details like CPU cores, memory, screen resolution, time zone, language, and battery status. Many of the extensions being checked are tools for sales, recruiting, and lead generation, some of which compete with LinkedIn's own products. The report claims LinkedIn scans for hundreds of such tools, along with other extensions. LinkedIn says this scanning helps detect extensions that scrape data or violate its terms, aiming to protect user data and platform integrity. It also states the data is not used to infer sensitive personal information. Still, the scale of this activity stands out. Checking thousands of extensions and collecting device-level data falls under browser fingerprinting, a method used to create a unique profile of a device. Since LinkedIn accounts are tied to real identities, this data could potentially be linked back to individuals. This isn't unique to LinkedIn. Other platforms have used similar techniques. But it raises a recurring question. How much access should a website have to your device?